I'm Timothy Corrigan. I'm the principal of Timothy Corrigan, Inc. Something that we do at the very first meeting with every single client is we have this whole basket of things that we take. We've got a book, for example, where we actually go through and look at design styles. The reason we do all that is to really understand, more importantly, even than what they like, is what they don't like. We don't ever show them the things that they don't like again. I want to be known as the designer that does comfortable elegance. It's a room that is really comfortable to live in, but that is really beautiful. And comfort is the thing that I, as a designer, that I feel is first and foremost of importance. When you are comfortable in living in your home, both physically, psychologically, and practically, it communicates to others that you can really come and be in your home and really be your very best self. I am a big believer that it's not about my vision of how they should be living, but really very clearly understanding what it is that they want. I think we all want to feel like our homes are unique and truly are expressions of ourself. And I think that's really what we aim to do, is for it not to be about my ego as designer, but truly to deliver to our clients the best version of the home that they dream of.